Hi guys, welcome to Dash of Delight. I'm Soumya. Today's recipe is an Indian-style spicy cabbage, potatoes and peas. It's a simple side dish recipe that goes well with roti, dal or steamed rice. So come, let's see how to make it. I've taken half cabbage and finely chopped it. See, like this. Then I've taken oil. So I have taken mustard oil. You can take any vegetable oil or so. These are 2 potatoes cut into pieces like this. I've soaked it in water so that it doesn't oxidizes. Now this is 1 large size onion finely chopped. These are 3 tablespoons of green peas, 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped, some coriander leaves finely chopped. This is salt to taste, then 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon mustard seeds or rye, 1/3 teaspoon Asafoetida or hing, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 green chilli cut into long pieces like this. This is coriander stem. So what I did is when I chopped the coriander leaves, I kept the leaves apart and the stems apart. So now let's start making. So take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons of oil, and once heated, just add in the Asafoetida or hing. Then immediately add in the mustard seeds and also the cumin seeds. Now let both the seeds crackle, and in hardly a minute they will change the color. Then add the chopped onions like this. Add in all the chopped onions. Now saute the onions till it changes its color. So guys, you can also thinly slice the onion instead of finely chopping it. So in hardly 4 to 5 minutes, the onion will start changing the color. So see, they have turned out to be golden brown now. Now we'll start adding our dry spices. So in goes the turmeric powder, then followed by the red chilli powder. Now at the last, in goes the garam masala powder. Now at this point, we'll also add the green chilli. So guys, green chilli is absolutely optional because we have already added the red chilli powder. Now saute it for a while, for around 2 minutes, and then add in the chopped tomatoes. Add in all the chopped tomatoes and give it a nice mix. Mix everything together. And now add in the coriander stems. These are very flavorful and juicy. And now time to add the salt. So add around half a teaspoon of salt into the masala, or as per your taste. Now keep cooking them for around 2 minutes and let them become mushy. So see guys, they have started sticking to the bottom. So this is the sign that our masala is done. So at this point, add in the chopped potatoes and then give them a nice mix. Every piece of potato should be nicely coated into the masala. And now lower the temperature of the gas, place the lid and let them cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, when you will open the lid, you will see that all the potatoes are nicely cooked. Then fry the potatoes for around 2 minutes and then add in the coriander powder. So I'm using 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. It gives amazing flavor to the dish. So add in the coriander powder and then mix it well. Then after that, add in the cabbage leaves, followed by the green peas. And then guys, give everything a very good mix. A thorough mixing is required here so that all the vegetables are nicely coated into the masala. So keep frying for around 2 minutes, like this. And then add in some salt. So I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of salt into it. You can adjust according to your taste. So guys, this spicy recipe is so delicious that even if you don't like cabbage, then also you'll start loving it like anything. So see here, I've given a nice mix to the vegetables. And now lower down the heat, place the lid and let it cook for at least 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, just take off the lid and see how nicely all the vegetables have cooked and beautifully coated with all the spices. Now just mix it a bit like this. And time to add in the coriander leaves. So just roughly throw in all the chopped leaves over it like this and then give it a final mix. So guys, we are almost done. Now time to serve it. So just take it out in a bowl or a plate and treat your taste buds. So here comes our yummy and delicious spicy cabbage, potatoes and peas. So guys, if you like the recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.